Did you pause your plans to move last year because you weren't sure you'd be able to find or afford your next home? I hear you. Inventory was low, prices were high, and mortgage rates were all over the place. But the market is shifting, so here's why you might want to hit play on your search again. Inventory is up by over 27% compared to this time last year. And since there are more homes available, you have more options. But don't worry, more homes on the market doesn't mean your house won't sell. The reality is, while inventory is up, it's still about 23% below pre-pandemic levels, so well-priced homes are still in high demand. This is truly a sweet spot for movers. So if you're thinking about kickstarting your search, what other information do you need to know to make the leap? Let me know and I'll get you the answers.